Welcome to another episode of Pouring Coast to Coast. This is UPO paper, and then this is photo paper. Now, if you're using the photo paper, you want to use not the glossy side, but the other side. But I'm going to try it on UPO paper first, and if it doesn't work out, then we'll try the other one. So what I like to do is once I get my UPO paper out, just regular old Scotch tape. You can use washi tape. Try to get this as even as I can. Well, let's just do that. That might help. Take that down. This is going to make like a border. Well, it's going to make a border. It's not going to make like a border. It's going to make a border. So I'm going to get about the same distance. Using paintbrushes today. Got a bunch of them. And I have some Copic ink. These are refills. You can buy them at Blick Art. They're not that expensive. I got these on sale too. So I've never really used them before, but I've heard so many good things about them. Oh, Lordy. All right, I'm gonna put some alcohol in here, into a couple of them to rinse off the brushes in between. A little bit here, a little bit there. Okay, let's get started. So, what am I gonna start with? I think some of these are not open. Nope, it's open. So I'm gonna start by putting some alcohol down. So these they have a nice little tip here. You can just, whoops. Oh, that didn't, it's not what I thought. I thought I could just squeeze it out. But we can work with this. So this is Dark Bark. Just putting a little alcohol on the back side of it and letting it do its thing. Cool. I didn't want too much of it. That's perfect. Okay, now I'm gonna take a break. I couldn't leave it alone. There were a couple of drops of alcohol that got on it, so it took away a lot of the color. So. All right, guys, so I took the tape off and this edge bled and there was a little bit of bleeding up there. What they did was I just took a paper towel, put some alcohol on it, and then just rubbed it right where I needed to. So I'm still not finished with this. Now I'm gonna take a Q-tip, soak it with alcohol, and just do a few little of these. Do this again. No, it's starting to. Yeah, that's fine. Cool. All right, that's it. That's all. I'll bring you down for a close-up. How pretty is this? I just love that Prussian blue from Copic, and look at the colors blending here. And can you say pinwheel? Oh my gosh. That is just beautiful, the way it shines. Yeah, all the pigments do that, you know? So it's really good to experiment. And I like that brown too. So, please be safe and create. Please like, share, and subscribe, and ciao for now.